Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Muhammad Rehan Aslam. So hopefully you are fine. So today we are going to deploy a Flask application on Elastic Beanstalk. Our Flask application is actually consists of some Dlib libraries as it's very hard to start Dlib on any other platform. So let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all, it's recommended to open a CMD in with the administrator privileges and move to the directory where you have installed your project is located. Uh, Here I am. And then after this, you can just simply follow the instruction provided here. Okay, move to the project directory, virtual environment. So I will install virtual environment. So this is just required to generate a freeze requirements file. I will create a virtual environment name anything. I can either name it with my name. And now, alright, the environment has been created. So let's move with the environment folder. Activate the environment. Okay, as you can see, the environment has been activated. Here you can see it's activated. So let's move into the project directory. And first of all, I want to let you know, guys, if you have an application named as auto.py, I just simply rename it to the app from app to app. So one thing before starting any other. So first of all, guys, it's recommended to rename your app with the application.py and same vice versa, all of the routes and all of the uh, variables name to be replaced with the application as we have by default app variable. So I have renamed already the application. So I already have renamed it with the application same as it is here. And also here you can see all of the routes are now begin with application.route, not with the app.route. And also in the function we have application.run neither than app.run. Okay, so it's time to install all of the libraries. So I will just simply install all of the libraries that are required in my project. I'll wait for them to finish. So install all of the other one by one. So as you can see, one of the library REMPG have been installed successfully. So now I will install all of the other libraries deployed in my project as well, so that we can also generate the text file of our requirements. And although we will test our project on virtual environment. Oppo below have been installed, we can install OpenCV Python. Okay, we'll try to install Flask. And at the last install Dlib. So I have been installing the Dlib library manually by downloading it from the source file, and then then just simply run the command setup.py and install. It's just simply you write Python and then setup.py and then install. So it's installing by that way. So as you can see, all of my libraries have been installed successfully. So as you can see, all of my libraries have been installed successfully. And so now I will again navigate to the project folder and I will try to run As you can see, I'm currently in the virtual environment. So I will try to run the project within the environment. So let me shout it. I am not in the project. Okay, now, okay, so it's time to run the project inside the virtual environment. So then we will have a test. So now we are going to test our application in the virtual environment. So just simply type Python and application of the UI, and it's working fine. Okay, as you can see, the application is now running, and so let's have a look. It's working fine. Okay, it's all good. So we can just simply close it, and we will pick these. Just a moment. Let's have a look. So as it's working fine, now it's time to generate our requirement or text file. So make sure you are in the root directory of your project. So I will do pip save requirements.txt. It will go and generate the requirement.txt file of this. What it is. Okay, so what is simply object this. Now you can delete the virtual environment folder which you have recently created, as it's no longer needed. So I'm deleting it. So the next step we have to follow is get the EB extension for ready and some the configuration that we require on our server end. Sometime we deploy our project, and whenever we try to hit a file larger than 2 or 3 MB, it will generate an error like this 413 requesting too large. So to also get rid of this type of error and install all of the other libraries and OS based libraries, we have to do lookup pattern into this. So sometime when we deploy our Flask application on Elastic Beanstalk, we might see this error 413 requesting too large. It's happened because the default limit set for uploading is 1 to 2 MB. So if you try to upload a file larger than the 1 to 2 MB size, it will generate this type of error. So I have also listed how to fix this error. Just simply we have to create a platform and so simply we have to create a folder named platform in our root directory of our project, and then create a folder inside its name and navigation. And inside Nginx create config.d folder, and then create Elastic Beanstalk folder inside the config.d folder. Inside the config.d folder, create a file application.conf, and we'll call application.conf. Let me make sure. So make sure it is starting with the conf extension. So let me open it. So let me open it in the Sublime or any other text editor you may have. Just simply copy paste this line, and we are just telling that we are going to support 50 megabits file maximum. So this will let the Elastic Beanstalk know that the user might have some larger file, so it will handle it by itself. So it's time to now create another folder named EB extension that will all of our that will have all of the requirement of our project and what to do and how to run the file and something. So you created the extension folder, and after creating the extension folder, just create any file ending with the config extension. Let me create another file. And inside the config file, you have to replace this content. This is just updating the system and installing some libraries at the OS level, and then moving back to the root directory where the project have to be run. So just simply copy paste it. Okay. Not like this, but we want to copy paste it from the folder. Config. Yeah, like this. Okay, from here we can don't forget to add -5 or download the dependencies. I will update this file. But I just simply go to the EB extension folder and open the customer main.config file or copy the content of it and simply use the content of it. And as we have replaced our app with the application, we are telling now the Elastic Beanstalk to run the application. So this is what we are doing here, and we are telling the default EC2 instance type will be the C4 to its slot and the memory limit and all of the other specification. You can also just get rid of it as this is not much needed. And EC2 key name is better to provide, and also you can skip it. So I'm also going to remove this, inserting the required things only. Apply a big rule. So that's what for now, and just simply share it. And now let's begin to the main part. Just simply go to the google.com, search for AWS Amazon CLI, download the required as per your operating system. Just simply go to Google and search for the AWS Amazon CLI for Windows or any other operating system you are using. So I'm using Windows, so I will download it. There we go. Okay, so as this is have been downloaded, just simply install it. So when Amazon CLI have been installed, just simply again open the CMD as an administrator privileges and go to the project work. Sorry. And after this, we wanna go on. We have to initialize the Amazon Elastic Beanstalk. I can name it our project name. It can be CAM or it can be anything. Okay, it is the same. It is not recognized. So if you get an error like this, it is not recognized as an internal or external command. Just simply pip install AWS. Just simply then install pip install AWS. That's here, right? as it has been installed, so now let's run the command again. It's asks, it's asking for the Amazon AWS access ID. You simply go to your Amazon account and search for IAM. Run the IAM. Move to users. Click on add user and make sure you write the name, and also click on I want to create an IAM user, password, and after hitting next, I will simply go to attach PCs directly and search for Elastic Elastic Beanstalk here. Click on this. And okay, now click create user. You can just simply ignore it. Continue, then move to the user you have created, security credentials, and access key. Click on create access key. Command and says I understand, and then next, and the name can't be anything. This is my on AWS access key, and this is the secret key. So now this will try to communicate with the AWS. Okay, it's telling AWS application also have been created, and now we will deploy it. So now this command will just simply do a creating a zip file and uploading the zip file to the Elastic Beanstalk server. So as you can see, it's creating an archive. So probably it will take 10 to 15 minutes. So let's wait until then. And whenever you see save to control C, you can just simply close the command prompt, and then you can wait in the coding. Okay, whenever you see control pro, okay, start the deployment. And whenever you see save to control C, you can just simply close this and just, but you will not be able to see the live progress. So the live progress, you have to open our Elastic Beanstalk application tab and look for here. So I will prefer you should wait here so that we can be get updated with the live log. So I'm waiting here. Alright guys, as you can see, it's successfully launched. Application available at this URL. Okay, let's have a look. And last try, and there we go. It's working fine. So if you need any kind of help, you can just simply contact me at my Skype or Discord, and also you can leave comments here so that if any issue occurs, you can just simply go to Google and you can ask ChatGPT as well. And if the issue isn't still unable to be solved, you can contact me. So thank you very much for watching the video. Bye bye.